Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So summer season is going on, and if you are looking for regular use body spray or body mist, then you are at the right place. Today I am reviewing India's #1 fragrant brand Fogg body spray. It comes in a purple bottle. The quantity of the body spray is 150 ml and price is 230 rupees only. I bought it from Flipkart. It cost me 153 rupees only. The brand claims there is no gas, the can is full of liquid, and really it does what it claims. There is no gas in this can. The can is really full of liquid and its fragrance is so much long lasting. This product is totally vegan. As you all can see the green sign here, that means it's totally vegan product. It's instructed that you have to apply the body spray 10 to 15 centimeter away from your body. You can apply it on your skin and clothes too. All you have to do is just shake it before use and then you can apply it. This purple variant smells really so good and it's my second bottle. The brand has more variants, as you all can see. I have tried there almost 3 to 4 variants, but I just love this purple one. Give it a try guys. I'm sure you're gonna love the smell. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.